If you're looking for helpful and reliable mechanics in Swansea, then GEM Auto Centres Ltd have everything you need. Whatever your vehicle needs to remain safe and efficient on the road, our team of friendly and experienced mechanics are on hand to help. We offer a full range of vehicle repairs. If you have a puncture or need new tyres, we stock a wide range of some of the most popular brands of tyre, so we will have something to fit your exact needs. From finding faults in brakes to replacing faulty elements, we can supply and install whatever you need. We can check your car's suspension and shock absorbers to help make your journey smoother. A properly functioning suspension system can help you get the best from your car in terms of power, braking, grip and comfort. If you have problems with your exhaust system, our technicians can also supply and install a new system from our excellent range of exhaust systems from a range of brands. Our team of experienced mechanics can carry out a thorough MOT test on your vehicle. If we find any problems during the test, we will offer advice and suggestions on how much it will cost to repair. We can also help you to keep your vehicle in top condition with our comprehensive car servicing options. Whatever your car needs, our friendly professional technicians are always ready to help. GEM Auto Centres Ltd. Give us a call or visit our website today.